Busker 909 here. That's my version of Runaway. Tuned to open G today, G, D, G. The song is actually in B flat. So we're going to do it in C. If you want to play along with the record, you could two down a whole step or two half steps, and that would put us in B flat, which is where it actually is. But we kind of need the open string here. And it's actually a minor chord, so in this case, C minor. Yeah, if you can get that little up thing in there, it's a little more like it. Of course, he's playing a full 6-string guitar, so it's a little bit different. Or if you just get that. That works. That works. And on the fourth one, you're heading right into the song. And that's basically the rhythm I use for the song. Down, down, up, down. There's our B flat chord. And now we have A flat chord. And then G. And do that again. And you can leave the minor off if you need to, but it's kind of important, maybe not important, but it's kind of cool to do the minor because you're going to change to C major after this next run. So, does this again. Now it changes to C major, which looks the same for us. We're going to do C5. I'm walking in the rain part, and we go down to A minor. Back to C. Back A minor. Then here's the shots. So I usually hit the bass note because I don't have the band with me. So it's kind of down, down, up, down. So after you do the shots, you go up here to F, go back to the full rhythm, and then to G with a stop. And it does actually a blues turnaround after that. Goes back to C, F, C, G, 12th fret there. Or you can do it here. So this is an alternate F. It has a 5, root, and octave of the 5. Like that. So. And then G would be 2 frets higher. So you can play it all in one position. But if you're not ready for that, you can just run around with the one finger. That works great. Well, I hope that worked for you. Have a great day. Bye.